everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an LED neon sign, and I got this one here for one of my buddies who has a garage, so you'll see what it looks like here in a second. This is the box here, but then this is what it looks like. Comes wrapped up in a good bubble wrap and lots of cellophane here. So let's see if we can open this up and I'll show you guys how it all works. So this, wow, it's got a lot of cellophane on it. So this is it here, and you can see it's like a neon looking sign without actually being neon. But let's see if we can plug it in here. I think I might have to unplug my light in order for this to work, but let's see, let's just plug it in here. Okay, so now it is plugged in. Sorry about the flashing. But then we have our garage light, and I can push the button, and there we go. Now it lights up. Now you can see, oops, let me get the reflection of the other lights off. So this is what it looks like here. You have the different colors on it. It's hard to see the colors on the video, but it is colored, and you have, I guess the different options here are dim and bright. I don't know if you can see it getting brighter. I think so on the video. And then off and on. So that's it. And it just connects up through like a USB connector, so old school USB. So that's really nice. So this is really cool looking. It says garage on it. So and then it comes with a wall anchor, so you can screw it in there. It looks like it's got a couple of holes on it right here and here, so you can hang it up. And then it comes with a chain too, so we could hook up a chain and hang it with that. And it even comes with a little sticker hook, so you could probably put the chain on and then the sticker hook. Hook it all up and hang it up in the garage, which is probably how they're going to do it because it's going onto a metal shed. But how cool is that? It says garage and really nice. I like this. This is awesome. So super cool, super nice. Looks like neon, but even looking up close, I don't even know, on the back, you can kind of see a little bit. There's a couple of like the LEDs, but you can't even really see it from the front. It just looks like neon. So super awesome, and it's for the garage. Thumbs up. Awesome.